All right, our fluency, the first one, we're going to solve this expression. So we're going to be dividing fractions. When we divide fractions, we keep, change, flip. It's Kentucky Fried Chicken with a twist because it's Kentucky Chicken Fried. So we're going to keep that first fraction. We're going to keep it. So we're going to keep it as 4/6. We're going to change the second part, our division, to multiplication because the opposite of dividing is multiplying. And then we're going to flip the last fraction and it's going to be 4/3 or 4/3. Now we're going to be able to multiply straight across. So 4 times 4 is going to equal 16. And 6 times 3 is going to equal 18. Now we can have 16/18ths. Or we can simplify it, and if we do 16/18ths, we can make this into, let's move this up a little bit. We can make this, I'll put that down there. So if we have 16/18ths, we can divide both numerator and denominator by, let's see, a 2 can go into both of them. So if we divide both the top and bottom divided by 2, 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 8/9 is also the same thing. So it'll be either 16/18 or 8/9. All right, difference. When we find the difference, that means we're subtracting and we have to line them up. So if we have 69 and 13/100ths, we're going to subtract 52 and 12/100ths. And now we can subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 9 minus 2 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. So our answer is 17 and 100th. 17 and 100th. All right, let's find the sum. When we're finding the sum, that means we're adding. And yes, of course, we have to line them up. Line them up. So we have 45 and 26/100ths. 13 and 2/10ths. I can put my placeholder of 0 after. Then we have 0 whole numbers and 92/100ths. So let's add these up. Let's do a prettier color. There we go. 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry that 1. Drop that decimal like it's hot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 4 and 1 is 5. So our answer is 59 and 38/100ths. And that's it for the fluency. Great job.